Today, we will see how you can merge your existing app made with Angular, React, or any other JS framework within Directus. So there are multiple reasons you want to do that. The first reason is you want to merge your Angular, Svelte, or React app or admin panel into Directus for unified code base and running from a single server. You want to save time by relying on Directus for core functionalities and building only the custom features you need in an app. Also, seamlessly migrate your existing app or admin panel into the Directus ecosystem with minimal effort. Just to note, Directus is built with Vue.js. So Vue.js guys has a first class support in Directus. So just a quick overview of Directus architecture. Directus is a simple Node.js app running on Express.js server and adding additional features on top of that. So we will hack or we will expose that Express.js app from this, and we'll modify some things over there and integrate our custom code base. So we have added that in a GitHub repository. So just check the branch Angular Ionic GPL. So it's with GPL version of Directus, and here is the code base that how you can do this. So let's just clone this and let's see how it works. So basically we have the first folder called source of Angular. You can have that like source of React app. It's just our standard React app project. And once we compile that project, we will push that distribution folder or build into this dist folder. You can rename it whatever you want. You can adjust it within from custom extension. So this is our code base with our custom framework or any custom JavaScript framework, and this is our build folder which contains our build. That might be in dist folder or ww folder. That path you can change later. So the next thing is we have created one extension called custom app. This is a module extension. Basically what it does, it inserts your app into Directus via iframe. And the second one we will be using is one hook. So I have created one hook in my bundle extension, and this is the hook. So what this hook exactly does? So before starting the Directus app, it exposes the Express app to be used within our hook. And what this we are doing here, we are adding our server static files from the home root. Like this is our distribution folder, right? So that path you can change it as per your framework, and then we are exposing that root like /app should launch our custom app, and rest of the paths which are called Directus runs on /admin part. So other parts /app, this route will be reserved for our app, and here I am specifying the path for that. So this path you can change it as per your folder structure and directory. And now let's see what we have did in this panel. So here I have created a custom app panel, and I have created a module over here, and here I am simply inserting my custom admin URL, which is /app, and I am also utilizing the Directus token from Directus session, so that we do not need to add our authentication flow. We can use our existing Directus authentication flow for our app. Okay, so let's see this in action. And before that, we have added a simple script like script quick start. This script will take care of everything. Like it will when you run this script, it will install all the required node modules. It will install as well as extensions, node modules from package.json. Also, it will build your custom app. Like this workflow you can modify. This workflow you can modify for your code base. Like as I am using Angular in this, so I have added my Angular path. What is doing is just building that app and placing that into W folder. That's it. And after that, it's just running the Directus app. Okay. So this script quick start will be useful for you. You can also hack it as per your requirement, and it will just make all the process automated and seamless. Let's run the project. So this is now building the extensions first, then it will build our Angular project and it will run on the same port as the Directus. So let's open it up. So as you can see, it is greeting with us with Directus login page. So at the right side, this is our custom Angular app is running, which is running within Directus. And if I click on logout, it's showing me the Directus login page. So what's happening here? We are sharing the Directus session cookie over here, so that we are sharing this Directus refresh token as a cookie, and we do not need to build any authentication flow for our app. And for other app functionalities, we will be using Directus JavaScript SDK to take care of all the API code within our application. So thank you. Let's explore it. And let me know if you have any queries in the comment. Thank you.